Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Empties video, so if you guys want to see all the products that I have used up recently, then keep watching. To make this video not too long, I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about the product and if I would repurchase it or not, just to, make it go quickly. The first product is the Mix Easy hair conditioner. Last summer, Mix Easy had contacted me asking if I could do a review on their shampoo, conditioner, and moisturizer. I've talked about the moisturizer and shampoo in previous Empties videos, and I finally finished up the conditioner. I don't really know what took me so long to finish up the conditioner, but I really like the conditioner that I made. If you don't know what Mix Easy is, I have a whole video on it. I'll link that down below, but basically you get to make your own shampoo, conditioner, cleanser, and moisturizer. So I did like the one that I created. I don't know if I would repurchase though because it was pretty pricey. Next up, I have the Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer in the shade Medium to Tan. I really love the wet skin moisturizer from Jergens. I think it's amazing. In my, not the last Empties video that I uploaded, the one before that, I had like 3 bottles of it, and that just goes to show like I love it and I repurchase it all the time. Next up, I have this premium Aquamarine So Fresh cleansing foam from the brand Puren. I got this a really long time ago. I featured it in a Shop Hush haul, the only Shop Hush haul that I've ever done. I'll link that down below. I liked this, but I don't know, I kind of got bored of it because it was just sitting in my shower for a while. Sometimes I'll cleanse my face and then I'll go in the shower and cleanse again. I personally like to double cleanse. This did help moisturize the skin, which I really liked, but like I said, I just got bored of it. I like my Face Shop one better. I think they're probably around the same price, but the Face Shop one is so much bigger compared to this. They're like the same consistency and all that stuff. I just like the Face Shop one better. I probably would not repurchase this. Next, I have a sample of the PoreFessional primer from Benefit. I like this primer. It's nice. I'm actually wearing it today because I have so many samples of it. It's an okay primer. I don't know if it really does like the best job in the pores. Like right now, as I'm looking in the mirror behind you guys, my pores look pretty decent. It's just, I don't know. It's just not my favorite primer. There's something about it that I don't love. But I kind of just use it to use it up. I would not purchase a full size of this at Ulta or Sephora just because I'm not the biggest fan. Next up, I have the Nivea and Shower Body Lotion with Aloe Vera. This was another product that I kind of just got like bored of. It was really weird. I feel like it kind of just stopped working as well for me. I just don't think it really helped my dry skin. And this one, I'm not the biggest fan of it because it's like a process. You have to wash your body and all that. Then you turn the water off, you put this on, and then once you feel like it's good and like rubbed into your skin enough, you have to rinse it off. And I just think like, I like to just be in and out type of thing. I don't like to do like a million steps. So I'm not going to repurchase this because I have found one that I like better. Like I said, I just got bored of this and it's just too many steps. It smells nice though. Next up, I have the Char Goals mask from Pink. I absolutely love the Pink sheet masks. I think they're amazing. I really enjoyed this one. This was just a refreshing sheet mask with charcoal. Definitely was refreshing. I don't really think the charcoal did anything. Like it didn't help with exfoliating, detoxifying or anything because that's like what charcoal is used for a lot of. But I enjoyed this one. I'll try to link it down below. I remember in the last Empties video I did, I had a really hard time finding some of the masks, the pink ones. I guess they either like rebranded or just got rid of a lot, but I'll try my best to find it. If I can't find it, I'll have a little note, obviously. Another item from Pink that I have is the Scrub Down Coconut Oil Smoothing Body Scrub. I really enjoyed this body scrub. My skin felt amazing. I really liked using it on my like eczema spots, and this helped it the most. It didn't irritate it. It just really like helped like just kind of almost soothe the eczema in a weird way. But I really did like this. I'm definitely going to probably repurchase a full size in the near future because like I said, I did enjoy it. Next up, I have the When Pomegranate Cleansing Conditioner. This, I was not aware that there was so much controversy around When and the products. Apparently, this product makes people's hair fall out. I was not aware of that. I got it in my advent calendar and I didn't have any problems with it. Like my hair didn't fall out or anything. My hair felt amazing afterwards, but there are so many steps. I think if you don't follow the steps, that is what's going to make your hair fall out. And it is just a lot of turning the water on, turning the water off, rinsing, and all that stuff. It was a lot of steps. I think when I did this, it took, like, my shower took like half an hour, which it never does. And it was just a lot of steps. I did like this, however, as like a shaving cream. It was really nice for that. And I did use it as like a leave-in conditioner. Would I repurchase this? No. I do have another sample that I have to use, but like I said, it was just so much steps. It's better as like a leave-in conditioner or a shaving cream, not so much like the whole process, because it is just too much. Next up, I have this Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask with Coconut Extract. I've had so many of these samples. I really like them. I have purchased the full size of them, and that's all I'm really gonna say, because I feel like I'm a broken record with those because I get them all the time from Pinch Me. Next mask I'm going to talk about is the Puren Skin Multi-Vita Brightening Active Mask. I got this in my FaceTory bag for February. I'm going to link down below the video for that. I did a review of February's bag and then in a bagging for March. That'll be linked down below. But I'm just gonna talk about these really quickly. I was not the biggest fan of this mask. This one, the mask was too big, like the actual sheet mask, and it came with this plastic piece, and it was like poking my eyes and just really uncomfortable. Was not a fan of it. The next mask is this FaceTory Ace That Face Collagen Mask. I liked that this mask was really just refreshing and relaxing to do. I didn't really see a difference with it. I think that this mask, or the one that I just mentioned before this one of those broke me out, so I wasn't like the biggest fan. That's really all I have to say for it. I don't think I would repurchase this one either, but like I said, the whole review video will be linked down below. Next, I have the Beauty Chuck I'm Real Gira Green Tea Mask. I really enjoy this mask. I think it just lived up to its claims. Again, really refreshing to do. I would definitely repurchase this one. The last mask that I got from FaceTory is this Bling Pop Peach Face Mask. It's a firming and brightening mask. This mask I really liked as well. I really liked the scent. It smelled like a fruit roll-up. It really made my skin just have like a nice natural glow. I really enjoyed it. Again, the full review of all these masks will be linked down below. The next mask that I used up is this OK Intense Moisture Violet Flower Hand Mask. I did a whole demo and review of this mask. It'll be linked down below. I was not a fan of it. I don't think it worked at all. If I ever do try one of these again, I'm definitely going to do it at night, because a lot of said maybe trying it at night would be better to let the oils sink into the skin. So I'm definitely going to do that, but I'm not going to try this brand again because I was just not a fan. The second mask that is from OK is this Fruit Enriched Peeling Foot Mask. I also did a whole demo and review of this as well. Didn't like this one either. My feet barely peeled and I followed all the directions. I don't know what was wrong, but I just did not like it at all. Next, I have this Skin & Co. Blue and Capri Shower Gel. I don't remember what FabFitFun box I got this in, but in the video that I did, I mentioned that I was scared to use this because I'm very sensitive to other soaps that aren't Dove or Aveeno, just because those ones are the best for sensitive skin. So I gave this a try and it was okay. I really think though that it irritated my eczema a lot, because once I stopped using it, my eczema wasn't like burning and on fire. So this I would not recommend if you have eczema. I don't know, I wasn't like the biggest fan of it. The smell, I don't remember what it smelled like. The smell, oh, it smells like Windex. Ew, no. I would not recommend this. Next up is this Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy Body Building Dry Shampoo. I liked this dry shampoo. I really love Not Your Mother's dry shampoos. I think they're really good and they're a great price. This one had a nice smell to it. It was like kind of fruity, very, very nice, and just like a light scent. I really enjoyed it. And I really liked that the little bit of body that this did add to my hair, because my hair lacks body. Next up, I have the Skin to You Ready for This Jelly Cleanser. I liked this cleanser. It definitely was not my favorite. I don't think I would repurchase it, and I was really bummed out because the Skin to You brand looked amazing, but I really didn't love it. So I'd rather get a cleanser that I really love than something I wasn't really the biggest fan of. So this I would not repurchase. Next up, I have this Olay Daily Facials Daily Hydrating Clean Grapeseed Extracts Makeup Remover Scrub Toner Mask and Cleanser. So I don't know what to tell you guys about this, because I can't tell if I liked it or not, because I only used it once because it's a one-time use thing. So I really couldn't tell. I know it did remove my makeup, but I couldn't tell if my face like felt cleansed or if it was like a mask or toner and all of that stuff. All I can tell you is that it did a nice job removing my makeup. That's all I can tell you about this. I definitely want to buy like the full size of this thing, or like whatever, however this comes, just to see how I really feel about it, because I feel like just using this one, like I couldn't tell you how I felt about it. Please ignore the appearance of this next product. It is the Habanera Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with charcoal. I had received this in a FabFitFun as well, and I really loved it. I mentioned it in my dry skin of favorites, and I was so upset that I used it all up. But my cousin actually got me this for my birthday, so I was very happy that she got me this, and I am so excited to start using it again, because this is probably one of my favorite body scrubs. It's just like a little pricey, but it's kind of worth it. Next up, I have the OGX Refreshing Scalp Tea Tree Mint Shampoo. I really like this shampoo. I really think that it did help with my dry scalp. I'm still using up the conditioner. I don't really know why I'm using more shampoo than conditioner. It's kind of weird, but that's just what's going on. And I really like the smell. The smell is just so minty and so good. I think that this is a really great shampoo and conditioner. They also have like a oil scalp treatment thing that you can use if you do have dry scalp. It's really great. Next up, I have this Freeman Hydrating Cactus and Cloudberry Water Gel Mask. This is probably one of my favorite leave-on night masks ever. It really helps hydrate the skin. It is absolutely amazing. I need to see if they have like a bottle tube of this, because it is so good. I would repurchase it so many times over and over again. And this like little sample pack lasts a long time too. Next up, I have the Masquerade Hydrating Lip Mask. I got this in a Yes Oh Yes bag and I hated it, so there's that. I have nothing else to say about it. Next is this Detox Wash Charcoal Purifying Body Wash from Pink. So this was really fun to use because it was black and I just thought it was fun and cool. I really did enjoy this as well. It didn't irritate my skin, which was great. I liked the scent too. It was just like a nice fresh scent. I didn't really think it was going to have a scent because of the charcoal, but it did. It was just, like I said, a nice fresh clean scent. It worked really well. A little bit went a long way, so I was able to use this for a while. I was talking about this in another video. I don't like this like go-go squeeze packaging. It's kind of annoying, but other than that, this was a really nice body wash and I would maybe repurchase it again. Next up, I have this Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask from SoAE. This mask was so fun. I actually saved it. This is what the actual sheet mask looked like. It was the funnest mask ever. Both my parents were very freaked out when I came upstairs with this on my face, but I really liked it. My skin looks really bright and I definitely think it lived up to the detox and brightening claims. I love SoAE masks. They're really good. I highly recommend them. Next up, I have this L'Occitane shower gel with almond oil. I liked this. It was okay. I just really hated the packaging. It's really hard to open. Like, you really have to get your nail on the cap. I also just hated the smell. It was terrible. I would not repurchase this just because I don't think it's worth it at all. I think it's expensive again, like that other one that I meant, the other shower gel, the Capri one, blue and Capri, whatever. I didn't like it. It didn't irritate my skin or anything, which is good, but I didn't like it. Next up is this Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. I got this in at my advent calendar and I don't really see the hype. Honestly, I don't really think like it did the most amazing job exfoliating my skin. I feel like drugstore brand exfoliators do just as good, like St. Ives. That one is hands down my favorite. And the color of this, why did no one tell me that it is like pea green? I was not prepared for that. That was a little alarming. I would not repurchase this because it's like, what, $75? Like an insane amount of money. I think that's so stupid. Next up, I have the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in 206 Buff Beige. If you've been with my channel for a while, you may know that this is probably one of my favorite foundations. But after a while, it started looking terrible on my skin. So I don't think I'll be repurchasing this for a while because I don't like how it was looking on my skin. I don't know what happened, but this is a no. The next favorite is the Benefit Bow Galash. I really like this mascara. I really enjoy the wand. I know it's really big and some people don't like that. I do. I really like how it just made the lashes look nice and long, and just it makes your barely there lashes look there. That's what I really like about it. I would definitely repurchase this in the future. And then the last thing that I have is this Buxom Lash Mascara. I liked this mascara as well. It's really nice. This is what the brush looks like. However, I really like it more for the bottom lashes and not so much the top lashes. I don't know if I'd buy a full size of it just because I really like it for my bottom lashes. I think that's kind of silly, especially because this is like a higher end mascara. I would get it though, again, if it was in like a sample kit, because I know Sephora does like samplers sometimes of all mascaras. I would get it in that, or I would just buy a sample again because I really do like it. It is a nice mascara. And that is all of my empties. I hope that this video isn't too long, and if it is a long video, I am so sorry about that. I will try to edit it down as much as possible. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.